Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to hide game activity in Discord. So if you also want to hide game activity in Discord, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.discord.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Discord. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see the option for Open Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Discord is opened. So if you want to hide the game activity, all you have to do is go to Settings. Right over here, you'll be able to see the icon for User Settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the Settings interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see several settings options. You can see a search bar over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now search for activity privacy. You can see the search results over here. Activity privacy is being displayed. All you have to do is click on it. Now activity privacy will be opened. You might be able to see the option for display current activity as a status message. All you have to do is toggle that button. If you cannot find that option, you can see two options over here. Share your detected activities with others. Share your activity status by default when joining large servers. Toggle these buttons too. Simply click on this button. Now after that, you'll be able to hide the game activity in Discord. So that is how you hide game activity in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.